Hi everyone. Today we are here to showcase our new product, which is Brenolabs, which is an assessment tool. What is assessment tool? So today, when the COVID world, everyone want to have an assessment tool to help them assess their students or their counterparts on the different subjects, etc. How to do that? So this is a platform which enables assessment of their students. It provides both features, simultaneous assessments, as well as you can give as a practice assessments to your students. So we will start with admin, how it happens here. So this is admin console, right? Now this is where the entire instructions of how to use the product is there. The admin can add the trainer. So trainer is here the teacher, right? So you can add any teacher. Once you add the teacher, then only you will be able to create the exam. And then the admin can create the course. You can see Java, physics, chemistry, and all of that. Right? So uh, these are the kind of features which admin can do. Now, once the admin has added the teacher and the subject, we need to go and log in as a teacher. Now, this is a teacher login. Teacher can see what all the list of tests and they can take action and all that. Teacher can add the questions. For example, here, the teacher can go add new question. They can see the subjects, all the subjects which are there. They can add the question here. They can upload the image also. This is one of the feature which we have where you can upload the image. The teacher can give the explanation. They can put up weightage. For example, I will say mass, what is the formula, right? I can upload the image. I can say, uh, 2 into 2, and then weightage, let's say I will say 2, right? I will say option 1 is 3, 4, 6. Same way I can upload here. I can also put up which whatever is the right answer. I can create question, right? So this is how the questions are created, and you can generate the question bank. All this can be done using the Excel sheet. You can see different subjects, and all the questions are added here, right? This is a question bank. You can, for each question, you can also see how the basic info and what is the question. So once a question is added, the teacher can go and see the test, all the number of tests, and then they can create tests. For example, I will create a test for, let's say, Olympiad 2020. Subject, I will say, let's say I will take SSGK, right? I can select multiple subjects also, right? The durations there. If I want negative marking, I can put the negative marking. I can leave it also. Delhi Public School, I will say next. Now there are, you can see the multiple questions. You can add random questions. For example, I will say select random questions, and so it will select 25 out of 43, right? And once the random selection, or I can also do, I can select all this and manually shift it to here. So all the 43 questions are there. The teacher can select whichever questions they want to select, and they can select next. They can see, and as I was telling you, like if the question has an image, answer as an image, everything is being populated here, and all the questions are here. Teacher can vet it, and then they can create test. Now the test is created. You can see the test is created, right? There's the exam. Now this is a link which will be sent to the student, right? How it will look like, I will showcase, right? So this is how the link will come to the student. What teacher does, what student will do, student will register himself. Let's say I will say Gaurav, I will say Gaurav at gmail.com. I will put up some number. right? I will say location as PLR, so organization as university, I will register, right? Now, in this, if you see, these are the details of the exam, right? Now what I will do is, I will take this ID, I will take the ID of this, and I will search. Right now you can see my name has come here as a list of registered students. Now if I am registered, what I will do, I will receive a link on my email where the exam link will be there. Now I can go here, I will showcase how it will look like. So this will look like this. The exam hasn't started because the teacher hasn't started the exam. There is a tab here. If you see start registration, start test, you can stop the registration. As a teacher, what I will do, I will say stop registration, the registration status change. Now there is no registration happening, the link will not be active. Now I can reload it. There are no other students who have registered. I can see all the questions, right? Now I will say I will start test and test has begun. When the test has begun, if you see here, if I refresh the window, right, the test has begun for the student. I will say proceed to test, and you can see this is the student interface where you can see all the 43 questions. The timer is here, which is going on. There are question, you can select the option, you can save and next. If the question is not known by the student, if the student not aware of the question, you can mark the question. You can see the flag has come up, right? One more feature is the student can go to any question and attempt what is the capital of Manipur, right? I will say Imphal, right? And I will save and next. You see, it has become green. I can come here. I can again see, I can attempt it. I can attempt it, and then I will say save in next. Now it has become, green. So this is how you can the student can attempt the question. He can say end question or wait whatever is earlier, and here is a your the test of the student is is done. Here, when the teacher ends test is ended. Now the teacher can go here, right? They can go to the test results. They can see entire, the questions here, who all appeared for the test, what are the stats, what are the stats, and once that stats are there, they can download the Excel sheet of the results and take it and or share it or whatever they want to do or upload it in the school ERP, right? So this is a assessment platform which enables the examination at simultaneously, like something like Olympiad, as well as it can be given to the students for practice, right? So this is the assessment platform of Brenolabs, and we also have integrated a proctoring mechanism where the camera takes photograph after some time to make sure that the screen, no one is doing the cheating.